In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram font size. So if you want to change your Instagram font size, what you need to do first is open up your device settings because you can't do that directly from the Instagram app. Instagram doesn't have a separate option to change the font size itself. Go ahead and open your settings. Now, tap on the search icon, the little magnifying glass, and in the search bar, type in font size. In the search results, you'll see the font size option. Just tap on it. From here, you can adjust and choose your preferred font size. Once you change your font size here, it will also update on your Instagram. And that's how you can change your Instagram font size.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.